Hey guys, thank you for watching. Well, Kenji the cat and myself want to show you this really unique bird feeder that we've got that's going to make bird watching fun from inside the house for your whole family, especially for this little guy. So let's check it out. I'm setting this bird feeder up on this window because right behind it is a couch that my cat loves to sit on. So he is going to get quite the eyeful right there. Now the seed that I'm going to be using is just a seed cake for wild birds. You could use whatever seeds you wanted to if you wanted to attract specific birds. But for my cat, he is not going to care. Wild birds, blue birds, red birds, purple birds, it doesn't matter. He is going to love it.